Hey guys, today I'm checking out this really beautiful and elegant brass finish chandelier that I received for ribbon purposes. It comes really well protected, and something that I think it's really great is that it comes pre-assembled. You don't have to worry about it, you just have to make the proper installation upon the ceiling where you're gonna use it, and the height can be adjusted, which I think that it's really great. I got everything ready in here, so let's go ahead and start installing it and let's see how it works. You can bring timeless elegance and modern sophistication with this really simple bedroom upgrade that can be set up quite simple and without any stress. The chandelier arrives pre-assembled, as you could see, so all you need to do is securing the mounting plate and unfold the arm. It is compatible with flat, vaulted or sloped ceilings, and it's a quick way to transform your dining room, kitchen, foyer or a bedroom with a touch of brilliance. The beautiful and elegant brass finish delivers a luxury metallic shine that resists tarnish and rust, ensuring your chandelier keeps its sophisticated glow for years to come. Its warm gold tone complements modern glam and contemporary spaces with effortless style. The lighting is fully customizable with 6 E12 candle sockets supporting LED, incandescent, halogen or CFL bulbs up to 40 watts each. You can pair it with a compatible dimmer switch and bulbs to create just the right mood, whether you're hosting dinner, relaxing with your family, or if you just want to brighten up your space. It is designed with flexibility in mind, and it includes adjustable rods so you can set the perfect hanging height. And thanks to the 180 degrees swivel joint, it stays perfectly straight and level even on angled ceilings, as I've said, giving you a professional finish anywhere. This way, it combines easy installation, premium materials, and customizable lighting without needing any kind of extra tool. Okay guys, and as you can see, now it's ready and I think that it looks amazing. It has a really modern glam that I think is going to be perfect to place it wherever you want it. As you could see, it was pre-assembled. I just needed to adjust the height of it, and I choose this one because I think that it's going to give a really nice light where I'm going to place it. I'm going to leave it right here for a while, and well, as you can see, it can be installed in different kind of places, which I think that it's perfect. And overall, I think that it's really nice. I like it a lot and I will really recommend it. See you guys.